Welcome back to Auto Rush Pro, where every mile is a masterpiece, and every machine is a marvel of design, technology, and comfort. In today's special episode, we're diving into the world of the most luxurious motorhomes of 2026 vehicles that are more than just transportation. These rolling mansions are redefining what it means to travel in style, combining elegance, power, and cutting-edge features into packages that make even the most luxurious five-star hotels look basic. We're counting down the top 5 luxury motorhomes of 2026, and we'll begin with the most exotic, the most jaw-dropping creation on wheels, the Ferrari Stradale Motor Coach. At number 5 is a name that needs no introduction. Ferrari, the legendary Italian marque, has taken its signature design language and racing DNA and fused it into something never seen before, a motorhome that looks and feels like a hypercar. The 2026 Ferrari Stradale Motor Coach is a vehicle of extreme elegance and untamed performance. On the outside, it's immediately recognizable. Dressed in iconic Rosso Corsa red, the sculpted aerodynamic body is built from lightweight carbon fiber. It features active aerodynamic flaps, LED race strip lighting, and black forged alloy wheels that make it look like a Formula One machine ready for the streets. But the magic really happens inside. As you step through the sleek motorized side door, you're greeted with an interior that blurs the line between motorsport and modern luxury. The cockpit is built with a focus on the driver digital F1-inspired controls, paddle shifters, racing bucket seats, and a full telemetry heads-up display. Yet the rear cabin is all about opulence. You'll find a handcrafted Italian leather lounge, a panoramic roof with dynamic tinting, and a hidden 65-inch 4K screen that transforms the space into a private cinema. The kitchen area is compact but state-of-the-art, equipped with a robotic espresso bar, a high-speed convection oven, and a wine chiller built right into the wall. What truly sets the Ferrari Stradale apart, though, is its performance. Underneath, the sculpted floor sits a twin-turbocharged 4.0-liter V8 engine paired with an electric torque vectoring motor. The combined power output is a stunning 730 horsepower. Yes, you heard that right, 730 horsepower in a motorhome. It goes from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just 4.4 seconds, making it the fastest motorhome in the world. But Ferrari didn't stop at speed. The Stradale comes with race-grade suspension, active ride damping, and rear-wheel steering, making it handle corners better than most sports SUVs. It even has a track mode. This masterpiece costs upwards of $750,000, making it the most expensive on our list. But for those who live life in the fast lane and refuse to compromise on style, it's worth every dollar. At number 4, we shift gears to a brand that represents style, sophistication, and German engineering excellence. The 2026 Audi Eleganza Motorhome. Audi has always been about the perfect balance of technology, performance, and premium build quality. And with the Eleganza, they've taken all that expertise and created a mobile residence that rivals elite luxury hotels. The exterior design is futuristic and bold, with an illuminated front grille, adaptive digital LED lighting, and fluid body lines sculpted in brushed titanium. The side panels slide out automatically to expand the interior space when parked, and the roof features solar glass panels that charge internal systems even when idle. Once inside, it's an entirely new world. The floors are lined with real ebony wood sourced sustainably, while the ceiling has integrated LED constellation panels that simulate a starry night sky. The captain's seats are wrapped in diamond-stitched Napa leather with memory foam and massage features. The living area includes a rotating lounge, an AI-powered infotainment wall that turns into a work desk or cinema screen, and smart blinds that adjust based on lighting conditions. Even the kitchenette is fully automated with a smart fridge that reorders groceries, a self-cleaning cooking station, and even a virtual assistant chef that offers recipes based on what you have inside. Powering the Eleganza is a twin-drive hybrid Systema 3.0-liter turbo V6 engine paired with a 100K Electrolect motor for a total output of 590 horsepower. It's incredibly quiet, almost like a whisper, yet powerful enough to tow extra gear or conquer mountain roads. The suspension system is one of Audi's finest achievements, a predictive active system that scans the road surface in real time and adjusts damping over 1,000 times per second. The ride is not just smooth, it's like floating. Audi also included advanced safety features like biometric access, collision avoidance AI, and Level 3 autonomous driving support. Priced around $430,000. The Eleganza is made for the tech-savvy traveler who wants to experience tomorrow's luxury today. Coming in at number 3 is a fan favorite with a legacy rooted in freedom and adventure, the 2026 Volkswagen Grand Tour. Volkswagen's approach to motorhome design is about balancing nostalgia with next-gen innovation. From the outside, the Grand Tour pays homage to the iconic VW bus with a clean two-tone design, modern LED lighting, and smooth edges that hint at its aerodynamic efficiency. But this isn't your grandparents' camper. The entire body is engineered for function and beauty, with retractable side extensions, solar integrated roofing, and adaptive driving lights that adjust to terrain and visibility. Inside, the Grand Tour is a marvel of space management and high-tech design. The living area uses modular furnishings that can shift from a lounge to a dining room or even a workspace within seconds. The upholstery is crafted from eco-friendly vegan leather, and the floor is made from polished bamboo. The interior lighting is mood-sensitive and can be controlled via voice, smartphone, or gesture. The kitchen features dual induction cooktops, a smart oven, and a voice-controlled fridge that recommends recipes based on available ingredients. A hidden panel reveals a fold-out minibar, and the entertainment center includes surround sound, a retractable 55-inch OLED display, and wireless device syncing. Sleeping arrangements include a queen-size convertible bed and a pop-up roof. Bed perfect for kids or guests. In terms of performance, the Grand Tour uses Volkswagen's latest hybrid electric powertrain, a 2.0-liter turbo engine combined with an 85 kW electric motor delivers a total of 420 horsepower. It's ideal for both city cruising and long-distance cross-country travel, with terrain-adaptive drive modes and an electric-only range of nearly 150 miles. It also features regenerative braking, energy monitoring, and an intelligent traction system that makes it perfect for snow, gravel, or sand. At a more affordable $320,000, the Volkswagen Grand Tour appeals to the modern explorer who wants versatility, comfort, and style in a well-balanced package. Sliding into the number 2 spot is a collaboration of Nordic calm and German precision, the 2026 Volvo Audi Collaborative Motorhome. This unique partnership between two European powerhouses has created something truly groundbreaking. The exterior is sleek and purposeful, with a brushed silver finish, frameless panoramic windows, and a floating roofline. It's built with sustainable materials, and features like the retractable solar wings and adaptive aero spoilers contribute both to fuel efficiency and visual appeal. Inside, it's a masterpiece of Scandinavian design and German tech. The cabin has a floating interior layout where walls, furniture, and lighting seem suspended in space. The materials are all environmentally friendly recycled carbon fiber, natural birchwood, organic cotton, and smart glass. There's no dashboard in the traditional sense. Instead, you get a holographic user interface that appears when you enter, offering gesture and voice-controlled navigation, entertainment, and comfort settings. The sleeping area is engineered for deep rest with an orthopedic smart bed that adjusts temperature and firmness. Air quality is monitored and optimized through Volvo's Clean Zone filtration, and the cabin remains whisper quiet thanks to triple acoustic insulation. The drive system is fully electric. Twin motors, one on each axle, deliver a combined 520 horsepower, supported by a solid-state battery with over 600 miles of range. Thanks to Audi's Quattro all-wheel drive tech and Volvo's automated highway assist, this motorhome delivers not only power but complete peace of mind. The vehicle can drive itself in most highway situations, monitor road conditions, and adjust in real time. Energy recovery systems boost efficiency, while the solar wings contribute up to 20% of daily usage. Priced at $470,000, this model is designed for future-focused travelers who value sustainability, peace, and performance. And finally, at number 1, we arrive at the king of the road, the 2026 GMC Cadillac Motorhome, a rolling fortress of luxury, performance, and technological dominance. This isn't just a motorhome, it's a mobile mansion crafted with American boldness and Cadillac's signature style. From a distance, it looks more like a presidential convoy than a recreational vehicle. The exterior features hand-polished aluminum panels, vertical Cadillac, LED blade lights, and a grille that lights up in sequence as the vehicle powers on. There are side cameras instead of mirrors, and the roof extends with glass panels that reveal a starlit sky. Step inside, and you'll forget you're in a vehicle. The floors are real marble. The cabinets are handcrafted walnut. A 70-inch-old screen spans the lounge wall, powered by satellite TV and a built-in AI assistant that controls everything from the lighting to the AC. Seating includes power recliners with massage and cooling functions, and the bedroom offers a king-size memory foam bed with climate zoning. The bathroom is fit with real Italian stone, a full-size rain shower, and heated floors. What truly makes this Cadillac unmatched is what lies beneath the floor. A hybrid twin-turbo V8 engine producing 650 horsepower paired with all-wheel drive, air suspension, and magnetic ride control. This is the only motorhome that gives you the thrill of a muscle car with the grace of a luxury yacht. It drives effortlessly at any speed and adapts to city streets, mountain passes, or desert highways without braking. A sweat. Starting at $550,000, this is the pinnacle of what a motorhome can be, an unmatched fusion of strength, luxury, and presence. From the roaring Italian flair of Ferrari to the regal American dominance of Cadillac, the top 5 luxury motorhomes of 2026 showcase a future where comfort, power, and innovation coexist beautifully on 4 wheels. Whether your dream is speed, sustainability, high-tech living, or timeless luxury, one of these vehicles has what you need to turn every journey into a lifelong memory. Let us know in the comments which of these dream machines you'd pick for your ultimate road trip. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell so you never miss another tour through the future of luxury travel right here on Auto Rush Pro.